Welcome, in front of me I have OPPO Reno4 Z 5G, and today I will show you how you can change icon shape. At the first you have to go for the settings, find personalization, right now pick icon styles, and then pick shape of your icon. So as you can see we get a few styles. Now we can also change the foreground. Here we can also change size of them, material style. And if you want to confirm and for example stay with this shape, just click outside, and as you can see everything will be saved automatically. And that's how we can change it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.